Okay, we're going to have a look at some filters and masks. So I've got a layer up here. I've actually incorporated my poster design onto a picture of my allotment, and I've made a duplicate layer. Okay, here we go. So we've got my duplicate layer. I'm going to be working on the top one. Now with this top one, I'm going to choose transparency mask, which then, once I click on that, you'll see that reveals itself underneath that layer there. That's my transparency mask. With a transparency mask, you can work on top without affecting anything underneath, without affecting the actual image itself. So, and then on that top layer, I am also going to add a filter, a blur filter, and it's the Gaussian blur. The Gaussian blur there. Okay. Now with the Gaussian blur, you can, the title of it explains, it's a blur. It's a form of blur which you can control. So you've got the horizontal radius and a vertical radius. And if you click on that little chain thing there, little chain link there, and break it, and you can work on them individually. So here's a horizontal radius, which gives you a sort of sense of speed, perhaps. You could have an image on there that you could use to get a sense of speed. And then the vertical radius there works. And perhaps you could get a sense of something falling, or a sense of something rising, if you wanted to. For example, your image of that you wanted to get different sort of adds sort of a sense of movement to an image, which is really useful. Okay, so let's go back to that again. So I want to work them both together to get the nice blur on my image. Okay, and now I'm going to start working on the image now. Let's get it about right. Okay, that. And then working on the top layer. Now this is just an example. This is where I've gone wrong. Okay, I've gone wrong there. So I'm actually working on the wrong layer. So I need to go back. I need to be working on the transparency mask. Okay, so you need to make sure you'll be working on the transparency mask. And as you can see, all the dock there is gone black and white. All right, and you're on the wrong layer, it's colour. When you're on the transparency mask, it goes black and white. Now the black, so you choose black, and that takes away, that's working through the transparency mask, taking away the blur and revealing basically the layer underneath. It's revealing layer 2. Which is why layer 2 has to be the same as layer 1, or a duplicate of layer 2. So I'm going to come in a little bit closer and work on the head area here. Now, what I'm going to do, so I'll click on the white area there, and this is going to add, as you'll see now, it's going to add the blur. So this adds the blur, intensifies the blur, and the black takes it away. This is probably a better example here now. There we go, and you can work really small, sort of really small areas. Work it on the cow's face. So again, I'll just add a bit of blur at the bottom there. There it goes. And then I can also take it away there around about the mouth area. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Take care.